So, hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video, we will see top 10 simplification question, which is very much important for your upcoming examination. So, first one, 45% of 600 plus question mark percent of 480 is equal to 390. Right, so we need to solve this type of questions quickly when it comes to your examination, right? So 45% of 600 is nothing but 45 by 100 into 600, which is 45 into 6, or percent and double that will go. What is 45 into 6? 270 plus this is question mark percent of 480 is equal to 390. 270 will go into RHS. 390 minus 270. So question mark percent of 480 is equal to 390 minus 270, which is 120. So 120 4 times percentage of 4, that is 4 by 100. So question mark is equal to how much? 4 by 100 is 1 by 25. 25 will go there. So question mark is equal to 25. So my answer is nothing but second option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 2. 4 2 by 3 plus 7 1 by 6 minus 5 2 by 9 is equal to question mark. So this is coming in a mixed fraction. So in this case, what we have to do? We have to consider whole number first. We have to add whole number. So 4 plus 7 minus 5. Here always in the middle plus will come. Then you are having 2 by 3 plus 1 by 6 minus 2 by 9. So 4 plus 7 11. 11 minus 6 5 is nothing but 6. Here what is the LCM of 3 6 and 9? 3 6 LCM is 6 6 9 LCM is 18. So this is how much? 12. This is how much? 3. This is how much? 4. So 6 plus 12 plus 3 15. 15 minus 4 11. 6 plus 11 by 18, or I can say 6 11 by 18 is the answer, which is nothing but third option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 3. 65% of 240 plus question mark percent of 150 is equal to 210. Right? So this type of questions always you remember 65% of 240. 65 is there, right? So it's very difficult to find out this number. So what we will do? We will multiply this number by 2. 65 will multiply by 2. 240 I will divide it by 2. So this will become 130% of 120 plus 150% is nothing but 3 by 2 of question mark is equal to 210. So percentage and double will go, double zero will go. What is 12 into 13? Multiplication of two consecutive number. Smaller number square plus smaller number, or else bigger number square minus bigger number. What is 12 square? 144 plus 12, 156. So 156 plus 3 by 2 of question mark is equal to 210. This 156 will go into RHS. 210 minus 156, which is how much? 44 plus 10, 54, which is equal to 3 by 2 of question mark. So 3 18s are. So what is the value of question mark? 18 2s are 36, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 4. 2 by 3 of 1 2 by 5 of 75% of 540 is equal to question mark. So this is 2 by 3, of is nothing but into, what is 1 2 by 5? 1 into 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 by 5 of what is 75% fraction value? 3 by 4 of into, so 540 is equal to question mark. 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60, 69s are. So then we have to multiply 2 into 7, 14 into 27 is equal to question mark. Now it has become a multiplication of even and odd number. How to multiply any even and odd number? Double the odd number, half the even number. So this will become 7, this will become 54. What is 54 into 7? 378, and that is equal to question mark. So my answer is nothing but 378, which is first option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 5. Question mark, percent of 800 is equal to 293 minus 22 percent of 750, right? So this is question mark percent, so double zero and percent will go, this is 8 into question mark is equal to 293 minus, right? So here 22% of 750, I can add this number as 11% of 1500. Same logic, I just divide this 22 by 2 and I multiply 750 into 2. So percent and double zero will go out. So this will become 8 into question mark is equal to 293 minus, what is 15 into 11? 15 into 10 is 150, 150 plus 15, 165. This is how much? If you add 130, it will become 295, but we need 293, subtract 2. So 128 is equal to 8 into question mark. So this is 8 16s are. So question mark is equal to 16, which is nothing but fourth option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 6. 25.6% of 250 plus square root of question mark is equal to 119, right? So 25.6% of 250 itself is additive, but if you multiply this one by 5, here you have to divide it by 5. What is 25.6 into 5? How much? 128. So 128% of, if you divide 250 by 5, it will become 50 plus question mark, square root of question mark is equal to 119. Now 128% of 50 is nothing but 50% of 128, because A percent of B is equal to B percent of A. What is 50% of 128? Half of 128, 64 plus square root of question mark is equal to 119. What is square root of question mark? 119 minus 64, which is nothing but how much? 36 plus 19. How much? 55. So what is the value of question mark? 55 square. What is 55 square? 3025. My answer is nothing but 3025, which is nothing but second option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 7. So they have given inside the bracket 30% of, then this bracket is there, 80% of 850 divided by 34 is equal to question mark. Purely based upon board mass rule, right? So this is 30% of, first I need to solve this one. So percentage and double zero will go, this is 8 into 85 divided by, so it will become in reverse manner. So divide by 34 is equal to question mark. This is 30% of 17 5s are, 17 2s are, 2 4s are. So 30% of 20 is equal to question mark. What is 30% of 20? 6 only. So question mark is equal to 6. So my answer is nothing but third option. 6 is the correct answer. Clear? So now we'll see question number 8. 50% of 250 plus square root of question mark is equal to 165, right? What is 50% of 250? Or percentage double you will go straight away. 25 into 5, 125 plus square root of question mark is equal to 165. So square root of question mark 125 will go there. 165 minus 125, 40. What is the value of question mark? 40 square, which is nothing but 1600. So question mark is equal to 1600, which is nothing but second option. Clear? So now we'll see question number 9. 140% of 56 plus 56% of 140 is equal to question mark. Now when you observe here, A% of B plus B% of A, both are same. So this will be 2 into, you can say 140% of 56. Right, so 2 into 140%, I can break this number as 100% plus 40% of 56. Right, this is 2 into, what is 100% of 56? 56 itself. What is 40% of 56? 2 by 5 of 56. 40% fraction value is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of 56. Right? So 2 into, this is 56. What is 56 into 2? 112 by 5. So 56 plus 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are. 56 plus 22.4 is 78.4. 78.4 into 2, 156.8. Question mark is equal to 156.8. That is the answer, and it is not there. So my answer is nothing but fifth option, none of this. Clear? So now we will see question number 10. 20% of inside the bracket, or they have given you 220% of 40 minus 10% of 500 is equal to question mark. Right? Very simple one. So this is 20%. First solve here. Percentage and double zero will go. What is 22 into 4? 88. 88 minus 10? 78. Right? 78% will go out into 5 is equal to question mark. 20% fraction value is 1 by 5. This is 78 into 5. 5 and 5 will cancel. So 78 is equal to question mark. So my answer is nothing but 78, which is nothing but fourth option. So I hope you have cleared all these questions which we have seen in this particular video. We have seen 10 simplification question here, which is very much important for your upcoming examination. So please do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel, and please click on button, alarm button to click. Okay. So please do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos. So prepare well. All the best. Thanks a lot.